Good morning, class. Today we are going to read a chapter from class 7 Honeycomb book, and the name of the chapter is Quality. Quality has been written by John Galsworthy. John Galsworthy was born on 14th of August in 1867 and he passed away on 13th of January in 1933 in London, United Kingdom. He was an English novelist and a playwright. Even he had won Nobel Prize in Literature from the Distinguished and a narration in the Fourth Sea Saga in 1932. He has written books like Loyalties in 1922, Justice in 1910. Okay, so this is all about the author. Who is the author? John Galsworthy. Now let us move on to the story, and the name of the chapter is Quality. Before moving into the chapter, can you tell me what do you mean by an artist? Yes, artist means the person who is very skilled in his own profession. That is an artist. So can a shoemaker be called an artist? Yes, if he has the same skill and pride in his own trade as like other artists, then a shoemaker can also be called an artist. Okay. And this story, Quality, is about a shoemaker whose name was Mr. Gessler, and he is a perfect artist. Okay. Now let us move on to the story to see how he devotes his life to his art. So now let us move on to the story. Quality. Quality is the story of a German shoemaker who had been settled in London, and his name was Mr. Gessler. He was a perfect artist. He was very skilled in his own profession. He used to make boats of the narrator's fathers also. Who is the narrator? Narrator is John Galsworthy, and Mr. Gessler used to make boats of narrator's fathers also. Gessler used to live with his elder brother, and they have a shoe shop, and the shop had no signboard. He only made boats on advanced order. That means on pre-book. And they never failed to fit. Even his boots lasted very long, so the narrator did not need to go to his shop very often. The customer going to Gessler's shop, they used to sit on a wooden chair and waited for the owner. That is, who is the owner? Mr. Gessler. And it was like going to some church. The narrator wanted a pair of Russian leather boots, and Gessler showed him a piece of gold brown leather. He promised to deliver the boots after a fortnight. He, it seemed, used to dream of boots. On another occasion, the narrator entered Gessler's shop. He was wearing a pair of shoes bought at a large farm. Looking at the boot, Gessler told that those boots were not his boots. Even he put a finger on the place where the boot was not comfortable. He spoke bitterly that the big farms they made poor quality boots. He also spoke about the hardship of his own trade, and he even said that his business was going down. And he said that the big farms they only sell their products because of advertisement. But they never make good boots. Rather, they made poor quality boots. The narrator was so deeply moved that he ordered many pairs of boots. And for 2 years, he could not go to Gessler's shop. Okay, when he came to Gessler's shop the next time, he came to know that Gessler's elder brother had died. He again ordered for many pairs of boots, And he was also very upset to see Mr. Gessler, who seemed to have grown older by 15 years. Okay. Again he ordered for many pairs of boots. Soon he went abroad. He went out of the country. And when he returned his country after a year, he went to Gessler's shop to thank him for the new boots which he had parcelled him. But he found that the name of the shop was gone. It had taken over by some Englishman. And the poor fellow died of slow starvation. Starvation means hunger. His business failed, for it took a long time to supply the order. And like other big farms, he never made any advertisement. But he used the best leather. He never gave himself time to eat. He only does his own work. He never looked after himself. And he was a character who made really good boots. The person who used to make good boots, now that person is no more. So the author is saying that he was a person of good quality, a good character. Okay, so this is all about the story. So what is the significance of the title quality? The title of the story is Quality, which shows that the importance of quality in our life. Here, Mr. Gessler in the story went to find perfection. As the other people, they declined the quality and started providing every type of thing in the market. So here in Quality, that is written by John Galsworthy, we have the theme of commitment, determination, loyalty, honesty, dedication, and even loss. So this is all about today's class. Thank you.